Hi, you are watching Rajiv Ranjan's talk series Career, Course and Jobs in a particular academic field, i.e., physics, chemistry, media, computer. Objective to help student, teacher and parent. My focus area will be keywords, introduction of course, admission criteria, famous university and institution, colleges, career, jobs, etc. Today I will talk about cyber security. What is cyber security? First, I will focus on keywords. We all know the words like Python, R, Java, C, Ruby, Perl, Scala, data science, big data engineering, cyber security, artificial intelligence, blockchain, computer science, BCA, MCA, diploma, BTech, IITs, NITs. Introduction of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity deals with the study of possible cyber threats and harms, technical, financial, or personal. The course equips the professional to deal with many types of cyber crimes such as copyright breach, hacking, illegal mass surveillance, computer virus, virtual pestering, identity threats, phishing, etc. The interest in technology, innovative ideas, problem solving, progress, logic, and concept are expected from students who wish to join this new and challenging field. What are eligibility for cybersecurity course? Basically, it is 10 plus 2 with physics, math, and chemistry. The courses in cybersecurity. There are several courses like BTech in cybersecurity, BTech in computer science, or MTech in either information security or cybersecurity. There are several courses, certificate courses, diploma courses, and degree courses. BSc in cybersecurity, BSc in information technology management and cybersecurity. There are some famous courses like BTech Computer Science and Engineering, BTech Computer Science and IT, BTech CSE, BTech Information Security and Digital Forensics, BTech with specialization in data science and AI, and MTech. A specialization in cybersecurity, computer science with networking and cybersecurity, computer science with cyber expert investigator, data science, big data engineering, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. What are famous institutions, universities, and colleges in India? We came to know several IITs like IITs from Kharagpur, IIT from Kanpur, Madras, several IITs, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota, Rajasthan, International Institute of Information Technology, and other central universities of India. Several department offers courses in cyber security. Who are employer in the field of cyber security? So the company like Google, Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce, aviation industry, financial sector, tech companies, government agencies, Apple, Cisco. We came to know with several interesting job title related to cyber security like information security analyst, information system manager, computer and research scientist, software developer, database administrator, machine learning engineer, big data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, security auditor, security specialist, security manager, security software developer, cryptographer, etc. In number of opportunity, in number of jobs, and the beauty of this field is It is growing field. You can explore, you can expand, and you can experience your knowledge in the field of cyber security. So next, I will discuss with you fashion designing. What are the courses? What are the career, and what are the jobs in the field of fashion designing? Thank you so much.